Alright, so welcome back. In this video we're going into the Fairlight tab. In the past video we have edited our first project, and now let's jump into the Fairlight tab. And I will start with saying that I don't know pretty much anything about this. Alright, so the truth is I'm not really good in the Fairlight tab. I'm not good at all in the Fairlight tab, as I don't understand its concept. It's used mainly by people who actually want to edit the music videos, and even they don't use it that much. It's more used for 8D music, 8D sounds and movies and so on. But especially if your microphone, or if you record on a microphone, if your microphone is good enough, you probably won't need the Fairlight tab. And even if you will need some editing, you will probably do it in Audacity. So Audacity is just great for audio editing. I don't think you actually need to get into the Fairlight tab, but unfortunately the Fairlight, unfortunately I don't know pretty much anything, and that's because I never needed to work in the Fairlight tab. We will jump over this for now, and then we will get into the delivery tab. So see you in the next video, where we will be into the delivery tab and teach you how to export your video. See you in the next video, and all the best to you.